In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save WhatsApp voice message as a file on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first step, we need to open up WhatsApp and then enter a conversation. Here I got a voice message, and now to save it as a file, first off we need to long press on it, then hit forward. After that, tap right here at share button and then select save to files. After that, we need to choose a destination folder for our file. I'm gonna save it to the folder which is called on my iPhone. Here we just need to hit save, and that's basically it. Now we can head over to Files app, to the folder, and that's where we can easily find the file we have just saved. Here it is. We can now play it, pause it, and that's it. Basically, guys, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.